DNA. Every reservoir is unique. QRI analyzes every reservoir down to its very DNA, diagnosing each individual characteristic in order to strategize maximum yield in a way that leads to greater sustainability and return. In that same way, every company, every client is unique. QRI offers value, advantages, and expertise that no other organization can match. It's who we are, what we do, and how we work. It's in our DNA.
This is not an enterprise about marginal change. From the very beginning of the company, we intended to create an organization that's going to have a quantum influence on the entire industry.
I love quantum change. It allows us to rethink basic issues and basic problems in a way that opens the door to solving the problems better than the way we did them 100 or 200 years ago.
QRI creates value by increasing production, reserves, and capital efficiency for the upstream industry worldwide. Since its inception in 2007, QRI has been doing this by focusing on the client's most important assets, the reservoir. By employing a science-based approach to understanding reservoir fundamentals, QRI delivers honest and technically sound solutions.
I suppose the misconception is that the status quo is all we can do. Fact of the matter is, we can do a lot better.
This is the first company that's ever been established on the basis of actually improving not only the operation, improving the recovery and the use of natural resources, but also adding an authentic picture to the technology, the technologists, the engineers, the scientists that are involved.
This is not a consultancy firm that's preoccupied with the idea of doing routine studies. This is an enterprise that intends to have a noticeable, significant, positive impact on the industry.
At QRI, our business principles reflect who we are and what we aim to achieve. Number one, our clients come first. Creating maximum value for our clients fuels all of our endeavors.
And we have a very simple definition of value creation. It's increasing reserves, increasing production, and increasing capital efficiency. In fact, the three aspects all complement and support one another. And when you do all of those things, you're engineering a huge creation of value, which is our value proposition to the industry.
2, we talk straight. We take great pride in delivering honest and technically sound solutions.
There's no question in our minds, any reservoir, anywhere in the world, we can improve the efficiency of extraction. We can look at millions and billions of pieces of information regarding reservoirs, and through our diagnostics capabilities and the algorithms that we have, and the statistical analysis that we have, we can very quickly identify those assets that offer us a much higher rate of return.
Our science-based approach and patented metrics are designed to increase recoveries and greater production performance, netting our clients long-term and sustainable increases in production and reserves.
That's precisely the intellectual foundation of QRI's diagnostics capabilities, in that we get the types of accuracy that are far superior to conventional analytic methods.
3, confidentiality, integrity, and trust are our core values. They lead every step we take in client relations and business activities. And 4, we leverage top talent.
You cannot achieve anything in any business in the absence of high caliber people. We hire the best minds of the industry. They give us tremendous insights as far as new technologies, new ways of conducting business. They're our intellectual compass.
The Scholars and Associates program that we have put together allows those scholars and associates to take the wonderful ideas that are generated in academia and effectively communicate them to industry professionals in a way that they can be used as state-of-the-art fixes to the problems that we have in industry.
If we can find out a solution for this big jigsaw puzzle that we are working all together, and if we can add one more piece to that jigsaw puzzle to come up with a solution, I think that's the most exciting part of my profession.
And lastly, we live it. Creativity, innovation, due diligence, and technical differentiation are not simply buzzwords. These qualities lead to recovery factors that far exceed industry standards. And the core belief that these values also ensure environmentally friendly practices.
I think we can be a lot smarter, a lot more responsible, and we can utilize resources in a far more efficient way, which is far less harmful to the environment. When we're more efficient, we're more profitable. At the same time, we're better stewards of the planetary resources.
A million details, one result. QRI offers services and technologies that allow our clients to better manage their assets. Our proprietary metrics provide a unique perspective not found anywhere else.
We're a continually inventing company that's embedded in our DNA.
We're about trying to make a fundamental quantum change in the oil industry. We're going where there have been existing practices and existing methods and existing systems for many years, and we're trying to raise the consciousness level that they can change, that they need to change, and by making that change, great results can happen.
Bring smart people in, give them the opportunity to invent, innovate, add value, and you would see amazing things will come forward, and that's what's happening.